Feature 1. Proactive mode. Instead of waiting for you to give it a command, Claude will work around the clock. It can check your files, find things to do, and complete them on its own. Here's an example. It might see a to-do comment in your code and fix it, or notice a failing test and repair the code while you are away. Feature 2. Background skill improvement. Claude will analyze your messages and corrections every few interactions to update its own skills automatically. Here's an example. If you repeatedly tell it to use a specific coding style, it will update its internal instructions so you never have to remind it again. Feature 3. Away summary. If you leave your computer for more than 5 minutes, Claude will summarize everything it did while you were gone. Here's an example. When you return from lunch, it might say, "While you were out, I fixed 3 bugs and updated the documentation." Feature 4. Coordinator mode. Claude will act as a manager that delegates work to a team of sub-agents instead of doing everything itself in one window. Here's an example. One sub-agent researches the problem, another writes the code, and a third checks if the code works correctly. Feature 5. Verification agent. A dedicated pessimistic agent that actively tries to break the code to ensure it is rock solid before shipping. Here's an example. It might automatically open a browser to test your website's buttons, or try to crash your database to see if it survives. Feature 6. Token budgets. You can force Claude to spend more time and effort on a task by setting a minimum budget for its thinking process. Here's an example. Tell Claude to spend at least 500,000 tokens on a research task, ensuring a deep dive rather than a quick, shallow answer. Feature 7. Ultra Plan mode. This uses high-powered cloud servers to create massive, detailed plans for complex projects. Here's an example. Upload a huge project, and Claude spends 30 minutes on a remote server mapping out every single step needed for a major upgrade. Feature 8. Templating job system. Claude will identify tasks you do often and turn them into reusable templates you can invoke with a single command. Here's an example. Create a command like Claude new deploy to production to run a preset series of steps every Friday. Feature 9. Push notifications. You can receive alerts on your phone or computer the moment a task is finished. Here's an example. Your phone pings to let you know that a long-running code review is finally complete. Feature 10. Real-time PR watching. Claude can watch your GitHub pull requests and react instantly to comments from teammates. Here's an example. If a teammate leaves a comment on your code, Claude sees it immediately and suggests a fix. Feature 11. Context-preserving subagents. When Claude creates a subagent to help, that bot can now see the entire history of your conversation. Here's an example. A subagent helps you write a specific function while knowing exactly why you chose a certain library earlier in the chat. Feature 12. Team memory. This creates a shared brain for your whole team, so every developer's Claude instance learns from each other. Here's an example. If one developer teaches Claude a project rule, all other developers on the team benefit from that same knowledge. Feature 13. Bring your own compute. Companies can run Claude code on their own private servers using Docker for enhanced security and data control. Here's an example. A bank runs Claude on their internal hardware, so private data never leaves their secure network. Feature 14. Context collapse. Claude uses risk scores to shrink long conversations smartly, keeping critical decisions while summarizing less important data. Here's an example. It summarizes a long list of computer logs but preserves the exact words you used to make a key architectural decision. Feature 15. Read-only sync. Share a link to your Claude session so others can watch what it is doing in real time without being able to change anything. Here's an example. During a coding interview, give the interviewer a URL so they can watch your progress live. Feature 16. Terminal shortcut. A single keyboard shortcut lets you toggle instantly between your coding terminal and the Claude chat. Here's an example. Press one key to jump from your terminal to Claude and back without losing your place in either. Feature 17. Background sessions. Run Claude in the background while you continue working on other things, then check in when ready. Here's an example. Start a long task with claude-bg, and then check the status later using a list command. Feature 18. Settings sync. Your preferences, keyboard shortcuts, and permissions follow you from one computer to another automatically. Here's an example. Open Claude Code on your laptop at home and it has the exact same setup as your work desktop. Feature 19. AI Tamagotchi. A fun April Fool's Easter egg that assigns you a unique digital pet based on your user ID. Here's an example. Every developer gets their own companion, a duck, a dragon, or another creature, living right in their workspace.